CapCut is officially the best editing app in the world. Do you know that with the new CapCut feature, you can take your video from looking like this to this? Literally, I do not have any RGB lights behind me. This is just CapCut lighting, and I will show you how you can achieve this in this video. The first thing you need to do is to go onto CapCut and import your video. Once you've imported your video onto CapCut, then you need to click on your video and highlight it. So once you highlight it, below you can see a lot of options. I'm going to look for an option called Relight, and you can see it right here. I will click on the option, and these are various RGB lighting that you can use. My favorite is the mysterious neon, and I'm going to click on it now. It's going to take a while to apply this feature onto your video, so you need to be patient. But if you have a fast network, it can just edit like mine. Mine has completed the editing process now. So now that it has applied the RGB color preference that I chose, you can see every other color here. There is dark night, there is rainbow. You can choose any of them to your video. It's not a must that you choose mine. Now I'm going to click on these lines in my video and try to edit it. So this section is for you to edit the way the RGB light is going to appear. So you can choose for the light to either appear both on your skin and in the background, or you can choose for it to be just in the background. So I clicked for it to be just at my background because I want to maintain my skin color. And you can see here that my skin color remains the same while the background has completely changed. Now that I'm done with this place, now something I like doing also is to go on to the editing part of this editing features. Now I'm going to click on this adjust. So adjust means that you can edit different things. So when I come on to adjust, I tried to use color correction, but it was just giving me too much. This is not what I want, so I just went on to HSL, which is color grading part of the video. Now I'm going to click on purple and change the hue. Now this hue, I gave it something like a light lilac and purple mixture. I didn't want it to be completely purple behind me, so I changed the hue so that it's giving me a kind of lilac and purple, and then I increase the saturation. So once I'm done with that, I will remove this last part, which is the CapCut logo, and then I will go on to export my video. Apart from its amazing feature, it is absolutely beginner friendly for people who want to learn video editing, especially if you want to go to professional levels. CapCut has all the features. It has taken it a notch higher. Apart from its amazing features of remove background and removing noise from videos and making it sound a lot more professional. If you've enjoyed this video to this point, then I think it's time that you gave me a subscription. Click on your subscription button, turn on your notifications so you're notified when I drop more content like this, or content that are related with making money online or taking digital skills online. So guys, you can see that with this feature, you don't need to buy any RGB light. You don't need any lighting in your background. You just need to get CapCut and start editing. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.